These are the pieces that it comes with. So here is where you adjust your, whatever you're using, bagel, toast. That's the time. As you see the things move down. This does have a light. It will toast up to 9 slices of bread. It's got a handle on this side. And one also on this side here. Try to lift this up in one hand. And it pivots on these two pieces. This thing is pretty big. When you want to clean it, this is why I bought it. I can actually open this, clean all in here. This is the drip tray. Cleaning the toaster was not cool because you can't ever get it really clean. This, I feel like I can get it very clean and clean this surface and all the components. And I'm just using one hand to lift it up and down. All right, guys, the first thing you want to do is put all the components in the air fryer and run it for 20 minutes after you take all the plastic and tape and everything off. And you put it on air fryer for 20 minutes at 450 degrees. And that helps burn off all the elements or whatever's on their metal pieces. So we'll just let that go for 20 minutes at 450 on air fry. Just doing the check-in, it's still running. Got about 10 minutes and 34 seconds left. And then once it's finished burning off, I'm gonna test out a piece of toast. And the toast I will put on the wire on the rack. And I'll let you know how it comes out. Okay, so I'm gonna start it. Now let's see. Beeps when it's done. Pull this out and see what we got. Oh, it's toasted on both sides. Nice.
Good.
So it's good for toasting. It'll toast both sides. And it's crunchy. Good. They are done, but I need mine a little bit more crispy. So I just did it again. It's gonna go another 4 minutes. And I'll take it out when it's done tomorrow. Let me finish out. This is good. This is good.